Hello friends, let's listen the story The Bird Pair and the Sea. Long ago, a pair of bird, husband and wife, lived near the sea. Both were living happily. One day, the female bird said to her husband, "Dear, I am expecting to lay eggs. So please find around safe place where I can place these eggs." Husband said, "There is no place better than the seashore. You can lay eggs here." The wife said, "Don't you know that tides are very high on full moon? It is so strong that it can wash away even an elephant. Go and look for some other place." Husband smiled and said, "Dear, sea cannot harm our children. So stop thinking unnecessarily and lay eggs here without any negative thought." The sea has never expected such boldness from a small bird. The sea decided to teach them lesson and said, "I will certainly wash away their eggs. Let me see what they do." After a few days, the female bird laid eggs in the nest on the seashore. Then she went away to look for food. In her absence, the seashore sent huge wave and swallowed all their eggs. When the female bird returned back, she was shocked as there were no eggs in the nest. She angrily said to her husband, "I told you to look for some safe place, but you didn't. Now waves have washed away our eggs. You fool, you didn't listen to me." Male bird continued his foolishness and said, "My dear, there is no need to worry. I will teach the sea a good learning. I will dry the sea and he has to return our eggs back." The female bird questioned him, "How is it possible to dry this big sea?" The male bird replied, "Dear, even a small creature like us can also defeat a strong opponent like the sea. If we have strong determination, I will drink all water with my beak." The wife said, "How will you suck the enormous sea alone with your tiny beak? Moreover, number of big rivers flow into the sea." Husband argued, "I will work hard day and night to empty the sea. We can succeed only if we put our hard work." The female bird knew that she will not be able to stop her husband. She said, "If you really want to do this, please take help of your friends too." Husband agreed to his wife. Male bird gathered all his friends and explained the reason of calling them. He said, "Sea has taken away our eggs. Now we will take our revenge by driving the sea together." All birds felt that the task is too tough. They all agreed it is impossible for us to dry up this sea. Better idea is to go to our king Garuda. He will definitely help us or give us right advice. As discussed, all went to Garuda and told him, "Lord, the sea has washed away the poor bird's eggs. Knowing you are our Lord, if this continues to happen, our race will finish soon." Garuda agreed to help them. After a moment, a messenger of Lord Vishnu arrived, told Garuda that he is urgently called by Lord Vishnu. Garuda told to the messenger, "I will not serve the Lord Vishnu, as the sea where he rests has swallowed the eggs of this bird. The only solution is that Lord Vishnu convinces the sea to return the bird's eggs. I am firm at my decision." On hearing about the situation, the Lord Vishnu said, "I understand his situation. After all, he is protector of all the birds. I should do something for him." Lord Vishnu went near the sea and said, "O sea, you have been very rude to the bird. Return the eggs of the bird or be ready to face my anger." On hearing this alarm of Lord Vishnu, the sea was terrified. The sea apologized and returned the eggs. The moral of the story is, we should not undervalue the power of the timid. Friends, do write your view about the story, The Bird Pair and the Sea in the comment section. If you like this podcast, then click the like button and also share it. See you soon in the next story. Stay tuned with this series for listening to more Panchtantra stories. Take care. Bye.